Hi friends, so today we will see different type of pointers in C and C++. So the first pointer we will see is dangling pointer. Okay, the definition says like a pointer pointing to a memory location that has been deleted is called a dangling pointer. Okay, so let's see how a pointer become a dangling pointer, right? So first of all we will define one integer type pointer. We will allocate a dynamic memory to it, and let's say we are storing 5 to it. Okay, now we are deleting the dynamic memory star ptr. Okay, so at this point a pointer becomes dangling. Okay, I will say why dangling pointer. So let's see by this representation, this diagram. Okay, so we have a pointer. Okay, so we have allocated a dynamic memory. Let's say the address is 0xbbb. Okay, so our pointer will hold the address, right, 0xbbb. Okay, but when we do this delete ptr, what will happen is we are deleting this dynamic memory. Okay, we are deleting it, but if you see our pointer ptr still hold the address 0xbbb, which is not valid, right? This address is now not valid. So because of this our pointer become dangling pointer. Okay, to uh, resolve this, what we have to do is we have to give ptr is equal to null ptr, or we can say null also. So after this our pointer is null, not a dangling pointer, not a dangling pointer. Okay, so this is all about a dangling pointer. Now let's go for a wild pointer. So the definition of wild pointer says like a pointer which has not been initialized to anything, not even null, is called a wild pointer. Okay, so let's say again we are initializing one integer type pointer. So at this point this is a wild pointer because it does not have anything, right? Not a address of uh, integer type, or not even a null. So this is a wild pointer. Now what we will do is we will create one integer x 10. Now this x address will store in the ptr. So now this pointer is not a wild pointer. Okay, so next pointer is void pointer. This is most useful pointer. So the definition says like a void pointer is a specific pointer type, void star, a pointer that points to some data location in storage which does not have any specific type. Or in the simple words, we can say like a void pointer is a type of pointer which can hold the address of any data type, like integer, float, double, anything. Okay, so let's see one example. So let's create one integer x 10, then float y 10.01. Okay, now what we will do is we will define a void pointer, void star ptr. Okay, in that we are giving the address of x first. Now we have to print out the value of x, right? So here we need to take care is see like ptr holds the address, right? So we have to use this star. Now we need to typecast it also, right? Because we know in the void pointer we have stored integer. So integer we are doing typecasting, and then pointer name, and then now let's give the address of float, that is y. Again see out, take the value, typecast to float type, ptr. Now let's see the result. See, both time it is printing some other values, right? Integer and float. So this is all about the different type of pointers. Thank you all.